Once upon a time, in a lush, green jungle, there lived a big, brown bear named Brutus. Brutus was known as the strongest animal in the jungle, but he wasn't always the kindest. He often used his strength to intimidate the other animals, taking their food and scaring them away from the best spots in the forest. One day, Brutus was walking through the jungle when he came across a group of animals: a monkey, a deer, a rabbit, and a bird, gathered around a tree. They were talking excitedly about the upcoming jungle festival, where all the animals would share stories, food, and play games together. Brutus snorted. "What's the point of a festival?" he growled. "I don't need anyone's help. I can get whatever I want by myself." The other animals looked at each other nervously. The monkey, who was very clever, decided to speak up. "Brutus, the festival is not just about food or games. It's about friendship and working together. Even the strongest animal can't do everything alone." Brutus laughed. "I'm stronger than all of you put together. I don't need friends." The deer, who was gentle and wise, added, "Strength is important, but so is kindness. When we work together, we can achieve more than any of us can alone." Brutus didn't believe them and walked away, thinking they were just trying to make him feel guilty. A few days later, a terrible storm hit the jungle. Trees were uprooted, and rivers overflowed, flooding many animals' homes. Brutus was caught in the storm too, and although he was strong, he couldn't fight against the power of nature. A huge tree fell and trapped his leg. He roared for help, but no one came. The storm was too fierce, and the other animals were busy protecting their own homes. As the storm began to calm down, Brutus realized he was in serious trouble. He couldn't move the heavy tree on his own, no matter how strong he was. Exhausted and scared, he began to cry out for help again, this time in desperation. The monkey, the deer, the rabbit, and the bird heard his cries. Even though Brutus had always been unkind to them, they decided to help. They gathered more animals from the jungle: elephants, tigers, even the tiny ants, and together, they worked to lift the tree and free Brutus. Brutus was astonished. "Why did you help me?" he asked, ashamed of how he had treated them. The deer smiled gently. "Because, Brutus, we all live in this jungle together. Helping each other makes us all stronger. You may be strong, but there are some things that only kindness and teamwork can accomplish." Brutus nodded, realizing they were right. From that day on, he changed his ways. He still used his strength, but now, he used it to help others. He became the protector of the jungle, making sure everyone was safe and happy. And when the jungle festival finally came, Brutus was the guest of honor, celebrated not for his strength, but for his newfound kindness and willingness to work together with the other animals. The jungle was happier and more peaceful than ever, thanks to the lesson Brutus had learned, and so, the animals of the jungle lived together in harmony, always ready to lend a hand or a paw whenever it was needed.
Comprehension questions. Answer. Comment your answer. Question: why did Brutus believe he didn't need the other animals? Answer. Brutus believed he didn't need the other animals because he thought his strength was enough to get whatever he wanted. Question: what event made Brutus realize he needed help? Answer. Brutus realized he needed help when a tree fell on him during a storm, and he couldn't free himself on his own. Question: how did the other animals respond when Brutus called for help? Answer. Despite Brutus's past behavior, the other animals decided to help him by working together to lift the tree and free him. Question. What lesson did Brutus learn by the end of the story? Answer. Brutus learned that kindness and teamwork are important and that even the strongest individual can benefit from the help of others. Question. How did the jungle change after Brutus learned his lesson? Answer. After Brutus learned his lesson, the jungle became more peaceful, and the animals lived together in harmony, with Brutus using his strength to protect rather than intimidate.
Now it's vocabulary time. Intimidate, meaning to frighten or threaten someone, often to make them do what you want. Example, Brutus would often intimidate the other animals by growling loudly. Festival, meaning a special event or celebration, often involving music, dancing, and food. Example, the jungle animals were excited about the upcoming festival where they would share stories and food. Vulnerability, meaning the quality of being easily hurt or attacked, the state of being open to harm or damage. Example, Brutus showed vulnerability when he was trapped under the tree and needed help. Harmony, meaning a state of peaceful agreement or cooperation among people or groups. Example, after Brutus learned his lesson, the animals in the jungle lived together in harmony. Gratitude, meaning the feeling of being thankful and showing appreciation. Example, Brutus expressed his gratitude to the animals for helping him when he was in trouble.